Let's try some word breakdown of the immune system words. So again, make sure that you have your word lists in front of you so that you can reference the new parts that may not be as familiar to you. Please make sure that you're studying the different word parts. That will be your biggest tool to be successful in a medical terminology course. But let's see if we can break down some of these meanings. All right, first up is the word mutation. Mutation. See if you can do this on your own before we do this together, and do this as a check for yourself. So hit pause where you need to. All right, in the term mutation, we do not have a prefix. We have the root term muto, which refers to a genetic change, and the suffix ion, okay, or ation if you want to choose that as well. That would have been fine. They mean exactly the same thing, which is an action of. Mutation is an action of changing your genetics. So it's when your genes started out one way, but then made some sort of a shift, we call that a mutation. Let's try another term. Next up, we have the term antibody. Antibody. See if you can break it down first. Hit pause if you need to. All right, there is the prefix anti, which means against. There is no root term in this case. And the suffix here is body, which literally refers to a body or an object or something with mass. So the term antibody is a body or a mass that's against, and it's literally against a foreign substance. So a virus, a parasite, a bacteria, your antibodies are going to help fight those things off. They are considered a foreign substance to our body. Let's try one more. Next up is the term antigen. Antigen. See if you can break apart this word to know what this is. Okay, the prefix in the term antigen is anti, which does mean against. Again, there is no root term, and our suffix here is gen, G-E-N, as the ending. And that refers to a creation of. So the term antigen means a creation of or against a foreign object. So an antigen is something that will help us create antibodies so that we can get rid of foreign objects even better. Let's try another word. Next up is the word immunology. Immunology. See if you can tell me what this means. Okay, in the term immunology, there is no prefix. The root term immuno refers to protection, and logy refers to a study of. So immunology is the study of the immune system, but the study of how we protect ourselves against foreign objects. Of course, we have some more. Let's keep going with our word breakdown. Next up is the term vaccination. Vaccination. Go ahead and see if you can break this down. Okay, so vaccination has no prefix in the term. Vaccino is a new root term for us here, and it means to immunize or to protect you. And the ATION or just the ION ending refers to an action of. So vaccination refers to the act of immunizing, right? If you look at the term immuno, it also could potentially mean protecting, right? So vaccinations help to protect you against disease. Okay, how did you do? Does this get easier over time? Hopefully you're finding that that's the case. Keep practicing. The more you practice, the more you become perfect.